Hi friends, welcome to Cooking Craft. This is Sadhana here. Before we go into the recipe, I would like to thank each and everyone for supporting me in this journey. If you like my recipes, kindly share it with your family and friends. And if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for further notifications. And let's go into the recipe now. Our recipe today is fresh grated coconut rice, which is very famous in South India, and this can be done even by the beginner who's just starting their cooking or even bachelors. This is a very fast recipe, anybody can do it. So friends, let's go into the video quickly and see how to make it. These are the ingredients that we need for making the fresh grated coconut rice, and all the measurements I have given in the end of the video. So don't skip the video till the end because we might have a little bit of tips for it. Now the pan is hot here and I am just adding 1 and 2 teaspoons of coconut oil. If you don't have coconut oil, you can also use your regular whatever you're using in the house. You can also use that, but coconut oil gives you a very good flavor. So I am adding some mustard. Let the mustard crackle, and we'll also add some jeera. I am using some Channa dal and some broken Urad dal. Keep it on a low flame. This recipe is done very quickly, especially when you are in a hurry, when you come back from work, or if you're going to work, or you want to pack something for your children to school. This gets done very fast, and you can also use do this recipe with your leftover rice. And this is some green chilies, few kadhi patta, I am adding some broken cashew nuts, and this is optional. Now at this point, suppose if you want to take this to the office or you want to pack it for your children, what you do is, or if it is summer and you think the fresh coconut will get spoiled, at this point we can add coconut like this and we can just roast it like this. So this way your coconut rice will stay for a longer time. And if it is winter and if you are going to consume it immediately, you can just use a fresh coconut. Instead of putting the coconut here, after adding the rice also we can add. Now I am just showing one portion, that is 250 grams of cooked rice, that is 1 cup of rice. We are going to give it a nice mix. You can alter your chilli and salt as per your taste, or if you are just cooking rice with salt, then you can also add according to that. If you are going to make this recipe in fresh rice, what you do is you cook your rice with little salt, allow the rice to cool down completely to the room temperature, and then do this, otherwise it will get very mushy. Now what I am going to do is I am just going to add little more fresh coconut to this and give it a nice mix. See friends, how fast we finished this. This is a very quick and a very good recipe. Try this recipe friends. Now this is done. What I am going to do is just go and plate it. Our fresh grated coconut rice is ready. Friends, if you like my recipes and videos, please give me a like, and to support, please share it with your family and friends, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.